After 10 years.
After 10 years, graduated. And my sugar daddy.
Wow! After 10 years.
After 10 years.
After 10 years sa Kim. Ganyan.
flow lang.
After 10 years, ano, lawyer na ako.
Oh! Ipaglaban
After
mo.
10 years, maybe,
Paglalaban ko yun.
during those 10 years, maraming beses ako magiging pasyente kaysa ako yung nag-aasikaso sa
After
pasyente.
10 years. Sana architect. May engineer. After 10 years kaya, ano kaya tong dalawang to?
Break na yun.
After 10 years.